awkward today. Hey guys, welcome to a brand new week. Oh my god. Yeah, today my allergies hit a little harder because I do have my window open today and it is windy, so a lot of pollen is coming into the house. But to be fair, you kind of want some fresh air to air out, you know, the house once in a while. So I'll close the window soon. It is week 3 of no sugar. I decided to keep going. Originally I said I was maybe gonna just do 2 weeks. There goes my phone. But I think I can handle can't talk. I think I'm gonna handle it well if I keep going. But I'm gonna do things a little different. I'm gonna allow myself starting now to have 0-calorie drinks. Because water can get boring after all. But even though there's 0-calorie and no sugar, I'm still gonna, limit myself to those because, aspartame and all those artificial sweeteners that doesn't have a lot of sugar in it or no sugar in it is actually not the best for health. One drink a day with aspartame will kill you, but you should still limit yourself. So I'm gonna let that bring some more life back into my eating, I guess you can say. I'm still gonna have my rice, noodle, pasta one meal a day, preferably the first meal a day, so you can burn it off easier for the rest of the day. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. But I'm gonna limit myself, so 1 Coke Zero a day won't hurt. And if I don't have one, even better. I'm still drinking a lot of water, so hopefully this will go well. It'll probably go a lot even easier because I get the sugar, kind of the fake sugar now, so yeah, I think I can do it for the 2 weeks, and then in May I will allow myself to have sugar again. But I will go over that once I get there. But yeah, 3rd week of no sugar. I just finished ending the vlog. This morning I did have to wake up early on my day off to go drive my mom to do her things because she doesn't want to drive her car that has broken windows in it. So that's fun. My hair is extremely long. It's poking me in the eye, but I can't get a haircut yet because I'm trying to delay it until the end of April because my guy that cuts my hair is going away for a month. Entire month of May he's gone. I can get her to June. But the thing is, in May when I do go to my travels, I might cut my hair where I'm traveling to. You guys can guess where I'm going to. But we'll see if I have the time to cut my hair when I'm on vacation. We'll see. That's the last thing I should be doing. Right now I'm just doing some laundry, but I'm probably just gonna take it easy for the rest of the day. I'm gonna clean the kitchen today and probably vacuum the floor. But right now, after ending the vlog, I just want a little break. So I'm playing some video games for now. I also started watching the whole entire Naruto series from the beginning. I watched for the first time many years ago, Japanese dub. I'm watching an English dub. Before you judge me, I'm not really looking at the screen half the time. It's just background noise. So having the English dub is a good thing, even though the voice acting is, kind of horrible. But to be fair, the English dub did get some good voice actors. The voices do match the characters, but it just almost took me by surprise because I heard the Japanese voices for so many years. It just took me by surprise, but the English voices do suit the characters. I was also looking on Amazon for the latest version of the Naruto Ultimate Ninja Storm game on PS5 because in college, me and my friends played that game, like the first 2 generation games, like crazy. We were obsessed with it. It was a lot of fun. It's a basic fighting game, very simple. But now the new one on PS5 has so many characters. I didn't keep up with it. I think the last version of the game I got was in PS4, very early PS4 days. There is a PS5 game of it, so I might get it. It is on sale, so maybe, but we'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna relax a little bit. I'm hungry. I don't care if my hair looks stupid. I didn't vlog at all today, so yeah. Today was my day off. I met a friend for lunch, and I didn't finish my sushi apparently. surprisingly, so I packed it to go and I put it, I'm just gonna finish it now. Okay. This out. I have some salmon here and some tuna, I think. And then I also fried up some pork, not because I needed to, not that I'm super hungry and need to eat it. It's just, I myself fried up so I have food to bring to work tomorrow. And I did laundry, nothing too crazy today. One thing I've definitely noticed is my appetite has definitely shrunk ever since I took over the no sugar diet. Because that's why I didn't finish my sushi today. And also because I don't eat 100% full anymore. If anything, I eat 75-80% full, and then that's it. So, I didn't tell you guys because it's not a big thing, but apparently you shouldn't be eating super full anyway. So, yeah. I also have some radish kimchi on the side here. But yeah. So I'm going to quickly eat this. I'm going to start a new K-drama today. The Queen of Tears, I think it's called. So I'm excited for that. And then I think I'm just going to finish folding the laundry. And then I'm going to have to do the dishes. And then edit some videos. I have not touched Final Fantasy VII Rebirth in a while. I think 3 days now. I think I'm not like in the, I want to play, but I'm not like, oh my god, I need to play it. It's one of those games where I just want to sit down for a long period of time and play a bit, and I don't have that period of time. I have like an hour tops, but I have so many things to do in the house. Being an adult is hard. I just want a day where I have 4 hours uninterrupted to do it, but unfortunately I only have an hour, so James just play for an hour. It's hard for me to do that. Like, for example, I will start playing, and then an hour's up, but then I get to a good part of the game, I can't stop. So, I need a day off where I'm just completely free, which is kind of hard these days. Anyway, I'm gonna eat. Oh my god, this week's vlog has been quite the bust. I know I sound sick right now, but I'm just really congested because my allergies today were just horrible. In fact, I think the last 3 days, my allergies have just been really, really bad. I don't know, during the day, I don't care how I look. During the day, I'm fine. It's just in the morning when I wake up, my allergies are so bad. I think it's because I'm breathing in and probably through my nose a lot and like snorting while I'm sleeping because I'm snoring probably. So it inhales a lot of the pollens in the air, so henceforth when I wake up, I can guarantee you for the first 15 minutes I'm just sneezing or runny nose. And then I get over that hurdle, and luckily at work I really don't feel too much of the allergies. I'll get a runny nose now and then at work, but it's manageable. But when I come home from work, it hits me hard because I think I'm tired, so my body's immune system goes down, so the allergies attack again. But the last 3 days have just been really, really bad. Like when I got home today, I was practically just in bed, sneezing away to the point where I just gave up wiping my nose. I live alone. So no matter how nasty it was for me, I just stayed in bed and sneezed and didn't bother wiping my nose until I was done sneezing. So I didn't waste so many tissues. But I was just so uncomfortable for the longest time. I think I sneezed for a good 30 minutes. And then it kind of died down a bit, so much better after that. But oh my god. it does waste a lot of time in the morning and at night, right? I'm trying to sleep. But yeah. I think the reason why it's bad is because 2 days ago, because the store was so dead, we decided to do some spring cleaning. And the store is extremely dusty because of the construction work, and there's lots of areas in the store we don't touch often, so a lot of dust was flying around, so that probably didn't help. But I was about to sleep and I realized, since my nose has settled a bit, I'm not sneezing constantly, I think I should end the vlog properly, so here we are. Oh my god. My back hurts from all the sneezing. But week 3 of no sugar has come to an end, and even though this week I let myself have some zero sugar beverages like the Coke Zero and stuff, I didn't go too overboard. I had like 1 or 2, but not too many. And judging on how it went this week, I think I'm going to continue with no sugar till the 4th week now. And basically all of April I would have been no sugar. And May I think I'll start having some processed sugar again, but in moderation. But I keep mentioning how I'm going to do that. I'm not going to mention it again because you guys heard enough of it. I'll broke a record. So yeah, tomorrow I do have a day off, but it's my sister's birthday dinner. So tomorrow when I wake up, I probably have to quickly edit the vlog, do some cleaning around the house, do some laundry, but basically take it easy because I have a long work week ahead of me. My days off are a little different. I do have tomorrow off, but then I wanted to move my other day off to Friday because I have something going on at night and in the morning, so it was best for me to have the Friday off. But that means I have to work Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, which isn't too bad, but Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday is the slowest days of the week for the store, so it's gonna be so painful to get through those, but it'll be okay. But we'll see how it goes. I'm supposed to have a girls' night next week, board games and getting takeout. Hopefully that's still gonna happen. So we'll see, yeah. But I'm gonna end the week here and head to bed because my nose is settled. My voice is returning to normal, so it's a good sign to head to bed. So I'll see you all next week.